Super hot. Hey, there's a church, a nice breeze, and it's cooled off. It's 78 degrees outside now.
No, it was a church, but the Muslims converted the church.
On the other side of the river is Slovakia.
Now it's a mosque.
Our team came in second, and we got these Chippendales from the To Tell the Truth
Let's go inside my
type
trivia.
of game that we had played.
Ready to dock.
No sign of it.
The boat to go into the city and take a bus to Schloss Castle. That's in Austria. And then continue on. Meet the boat again when we get to Siena by bus. We have dinner there. Running a little bit behind, but it's already been done.
Going under the bridge. There's double. Oh, there's.
Waiting for the morning briefing. Emails actually have a name on it. You say your name again?
Daniela.
Daniela Square at Bratislava. There's Japanese, Turkish, Greek cannonball from Napoleon's era. There they are with the mini. Slay the Dragon, St. Michael. Another embedded cannonball from Napoleon. So this thing about Franz Liszt. Very few people can play his piano pieces because they're so many notes, I guess.
That guy from your.
Bratislava Castle. Looks like the Albanian embassy. I guess they're sharing a bunch of embassies with these guys. I guess Mozart played here.
I think it's a Old Town Square. I'm gonna take you down to the Old Town Square. Right, sis?
UFO bridge. Memorial to the Black Death. Oh, there's the old Russian helicopter that's making all that noise.
So what it is?
This is Schloss Hof, where we're chowing down.
on a bunch of good German food. Unfortunately, the dessert was too sweet. And this is also where Marie Antoinette was born.
A lot of tropical stuff over here.
The bunker.
Prince Eugen.
Is Prince Eugene the same as Prince Eugen?
This is it.
Yes.
The underground bivouac
They said Eugen.
passages. Reminds me of Herzegai's tunnel in Israel.
You're allowed to bring
Secret catacombs. Drinking the wine and do crazy things.
Prince Eugene wasn't married. He didn't have any offspring, so
Coffee room, courtyard of the Prince Eugene. Also fancy garden, the palace. That's the Bismarck's escort, Prince Eugen, the battleship in World War II. Palace is outside garden made after Prince Eugen's. It's hard to see them, but the storks are back up on the top of the chimney with the nest.
Stork flying
The
around.
old bakery.
Some white like donkey baby. You have to shoot the duck. Crank it up. All these suckers.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh,
Gross
oh my
suckers
gosh.
coming out.
Hello.
Good job, Fun. You got it far.
No.
Look at these nasties.
Fancy for dinner. This would be the time to do it. It's again a classical concert. The set list changes each week, but yeah, back late to the ship. They will be back right in time for all aboard before we sail away to the next port. So any questions about all of that information?
Look at the stars.